Have you ever noticed the difference between how rich and poor people think? It's a fascinating subject that delves deep into the psychology of success and failure. The way we think shapes our reality, and this is especially true when it comes to financial matters. The rich and the poor often have fundamentally different mindsets, which in turn lead to vastly different outcomes in their lives. It's like they're living in two different worlds. On one side, you have neighborhoods filled with luxury where opportunities seem endless. On the other, you have areas where people struggle to make ends meet, and opportunities seem scarce. This stark contrast isn't just about the physical environment, it's about the mental environment as well. One is filled with abundance and opportunity, where people are constantly looking for ways to grow and improve. They see challenges as opportunities to learn and thrive. They are excited about the future and are always on the lookout for the next big thing. This mindset of abundance is what drives them to success, while the other is limited by fear and scarcity. In these environments, people are often consumed by worry and anxiety. They focus on what they lack rather than what they have. This mindset of scarcity keeps them trapped in a cycle of poverty and limitation. They are afraid to take risks and often miss out on opportunities because they are too focused on their immediate problems. The truth is, your mindset is the key to unlocking your financial potential. It's not just about having money, it's about how you think about money. Wealthy individuals often invest in their personal development. They read books, attend seminars, and surround themselves with positive influences. They understand that their thoughts and beliefs shape their reality. If you want to achieve financial freedom, you need to start thinking like the wealthy. This means adopting a mindset of growth and possibility. It means believing that you have the power to create the life you want. It means taking responsibility for your financial future and being proactive in your efforts to achieve your goals. This isn't about greed or materialism, it's about creating a life of purpose and impact. Wealthy individuals often use their resources to make a difference in the world. They understand that true wealth is not just about money, it's about living a fulfilling and meaningful life. They give back to their communities and help others achieve their dreams. It's about adopting a mindset of abundance, where you believe in your ability to create wealth and live a life of purpose and impact. This mindset allows you to see opportunities where others see obstacles. It gives you the confidence to take risks and the resilience to bounce back from failures. It empowers you to create the life you want and to make a positive impact on the world around you, where you believe in your ability to create wealth and live a life of purpose and impact. By changing your mindset, you can change your reality. You can break free from the limitations of fear and scarcity and step into a world of abundance and possibility. So, start today. Begin to think like the wealthy, and watch as your life transforms in ways you never thought possible. Many people believe that hard work alone is the key to financial success. While hard work is important, it's not the whole story. Many people work incredibly hard, but still struggle financially. Why? Because they're trapped in a cycle of working for money, instead of making their money work for them. Saving money is essential, but it won't make you rich. You need to invest your money in assets that generate passive income. The wealthy understand that money is a tool that can be used to create freedom and opportunity. They don't see money as something to be hoarded, but as something to be invested and grown. They are not afraid to take calculated risks. They understand that failure is a part of the process and use it as a learning opportunity. The rich are always learning and growing. They seek out mentors and invest in their education. Your beliefs about money have a powerful impact on your financial reality. If you believe that money is scarce or that you're not good with finances, you'll create a self-fulfilling prophecy. Start by identifying any limiting beliefs you have about money. Challenge these beliefs and replace them with positive, empowering ones. Remember, your thoughts create your reality. Choose to believe in your ability to create wealth and abundance. Section 5. Mastering money, from scarcity to abundance. The first step to mastering money is to gain control of your finances. Create a budget, track your spending, and start saving regularly. Once you have a handle on your cash flow, you can start looking for ways to increase your income. This might involve asking for a raise, starting a side hustle, or investing in your education. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, effort, and consistency. Section 6. The investment mindset, making money work for you. Investing is the key to building long-term wealth. When you invest, you're essentially buying assets that have the potential to generate income or appreciate in value over time. There are many different types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and businesses. The best investment strategy for you will depend on your individual financial goals and risk tolerance. Seek advice from qualified financial advisors to make informed investment decisions. Section 7. Breaking free from financial slavery. Many people feel trapped by their financial circumstances. They feel like they're in a never-ending cycle of stress and anxiety, constantly worrying about how to make ends meet. The weight of financial burdens can feel like chains, holding them back from living the life they truly desire. They're stuck in dead-end jobs, drowning in debt, and living paycheck to paycheck. The constant pressure of bills piling up, the fear of unexpected expenses, and the lack of savings can make it seem impossible to ever get ahead. It's a cycle that can feel suffocating, leaving little room for hope or dreams. The good news is that it's never too late to break free from financial slavery. No matter how deep in debt you are or how bleak your financial situation may seem, there are steps you can take to regain control. It starts with a mindset shift, believing that you have the power to change your circumstances and create a better future for yourself. Start by creating a plan to pay off your debt and start building a solid financial foundation. This might involve creating a budget, cutting unnecessary expenses, and finding ways to increase your income. It can be helpful to work with a financial advisor or use online resources to create a personalized plan that works for you. Remember, every small step you take towards financial freedom is a step in the right direction. Remember, financial freedom is about more than just money. It's about having the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're in control of your finances. It's about having the freedom to make choices that align with your values and goals, rather than being driven by financial necessity. It's about being able to enjoy the simple pleasures in life, like spending time with loved ones, pursuing hobbies, and taking care of your mental and physical health. It's about having the time and resources to pursue your passions and live a life of purpose. Financial freedom allows you to give back to your community, explore new interests, and create a life that is fulfilling and meaningful. It's a journey that requires patience, discipline, and perseverance, but the rewards are well worth the effort. So take the first step today, and start your journey towards breaking free from financial slavery. Section 8. Creating a legacy. The ultimate goal of wealth. True wealth is about more than just accumulating money. It's about using your resources to make a positive impact on the world. Think about what you're passionate about, and how you can use your wealth to make a difference. This might involve supporting charities, starting a foundation, or investing in socially responsible businesses. Leave a legacy that extends beyond your lifetime. Section 9. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. This is the moment where you take control of your financial destiny. Imagine a life where you are not bound by financial constraints, where you have the freedom to make choices that align with your true desires and passions. This journey is not just about accumulating wealth, but about creating a life of abundance and fulfillment. Changing your mindset is the first step toward achieving financial freedom. It all begins with the way you think about money and wealth. Do you see money as a scarce resource, or do you view it as an abundant tool that can help you achieve your goals? By shifting your mindset to one of abundance, you open yourself up to new possibilities and opportunities. Visualization and meditation can be powerful tools in this process. Take a moment each day to visualize your financial goals and imagine yourself achieving them. This practice can help you stay focused and motivated on your journey. Once you believe in your ability to create wealth, you'll be amazed at the opportunities that present themselves. The world is full of possibilities, and with the right mindset, you can start to see them everywhere. Whether it's a new job opportunity, a business idea, or an investment prospect, having a positive and proactive attitude can make all the difference. Keep an open mind and be willing to explore new avenues. Remember, every successful person started somewhere, and so can you. Start by educating yourself about personal finance. Read books, attend seminars, and take online courses. Knowledge is power, and the more you know about managing your money, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. There are countless resources available to help you learn about budgeting, investing, and saving. Make it a habit to continually educate yourself and stay informed about the latest financial trends and strategies. Seek out mentors who can guide you on your journey. Having someone who has already achieved financial success can provide invaluable insights and advice. Join networking groups, attend industry events, and don't be afraid to reach out to potential mentors. Building a support system of like-minded individuals can also help you stay motivated and accountable. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. There are many people who are willing to share their knowledge and help you succeed. Remember, the only limits to what you can achieve are the ones you set for yourself. It's easy to get discouraged and feel like financial freedom is out of reach, but with determination and perseverance, you can overcome any obstacle. Break free from the chains of limiting beliefs and self-doubt. Embrace the possibilities that lie ahead and take bold steps toward your goals. The horizon is wide open and your potential is limitless. Take action today and start creating the life of your dreams. Every small step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and keep pushing forward. Set clear goals, create a plan, and stay committed to your journey. The road to financial freedom may have its challenges, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Start now and watch as your dreams